I mean, for both of you, Alex, what would be some of your do's and don'ts, for companies who are looking to get into XR and scaling it for their company?
Yeah, look, I think the learn that we've had, right? Fundamentally, we're talking about another endpoint. We're talking about new technology. So someone who's technology savvy as the stakeholder and the champion to take it into a business is where we've seen most success. And to second that, where you can deliver this type of solution and it makes their life easier. Yeah, we have a specific customer in the States, and he's been really good, but he's traveling 6 days a week. Yeah, and by deployment of remote expert and XR technology, we've probably cut his travel in half, right? Because he can service those customers he was having to travel to. So, of course, fundamentally, then you've got your champion who's fully invested because technology has made his life better, right? If that's the point where you can get to, I think all the use cases are proven, all the ROI is proven, but we've got to get the end users, feeling the benefit and making their lives easier, right? And if you get that right, then it becomes easy because you just have that word of mouth, where people want to use the devices. Why can't I have one? And then you get the scale, but you get the benefit, if that helps.
Debarshi, is there anything you'd like to add?
Yeah, I think again, from going back to the main AI implementation, the chatbot implementation bit, I think the most important thing for companies to get a handle on is their data. I still think, I mean, not just think, I know because we're working on a number of these projects. A lot of or most companies have a misapprehension about the state of their data, a misconception. So they either think they have enough of it or it's clean enough, and in most cases, that the reality is different. So there is a challenge there in terms of getting the data together and jumping into a full-scale implementation without analyzing what the state of the data is and how it can eventually be utilized in these AI chatbots is really the key, and that's both a do and a don't, I guess. do analyze it, and don't jump into this without making sure it's all in place.
And Debarshi, how might a company like Quantilus help organizations who are going through that data process?
So we are pretty much an end-to-end solution provider for projects like this. So we can obviously our consultants can go in and do that initial data survey, the data science part of it, to really figure out what the state is and how we can use it and what we will need to really bring it all together for it to be most useful for AI. And then based on that, we do the implementation. Again, start off with the prototype, make sure that the prototype is functional, it's getting you the results you want, and then extending it with additional data and additional use cases so that you have a fully spec'd out and immersive system connected to all of your data sources, which is really where you see the tremendous value that AR and XR can give you.